Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing sole proprietorships here in the kingdom with specific emphasis on discussing VAT matters. Why did I make this video? Generally speaking, on this channel, we tend to talk about topics that pertain to foreigners doing business or working or living here in the kingdom. Sole proprietorships are not, generally speaking, particularly available to foreign nationals here in the kingdom for a variety of reasons, most notably certain labor regulations, Labor Department quotas, and various foreign business licensing and other sort of amity treaty matters. There's just not a wide usage of sole proprietorships among foreigners. Amongst Thais, sole proprietorships are rather common. They're in wide usage amongst a variety of different Thai nationals for a variety of different reasons. This being said, I made this video due to recent events that have come about in the cryptocurrency sphere with respect to VAT and waivers associated with assessment of VAT on what appear to be individualized one-off transactions involving cryptocurrency exchange into presumably Thai baht, although I guess it could be any other currency so long as that individual was undertaking such an exchange within the kingdom. As of the time of this video, and I can't be certain how this is going to proceed or if this is even the correct assessment, as currently the regulations, the regulatory framework, and the enforcement framework associated with tax assessment and cryptocurrencies is still in somewhat of a state of flux, but it's looking like things are progressing forward, and I think we're starting to see how this is going to look, which is basically you're going to have a pretty complex tax regime for so-called initial coin offerings, ICOs, or sort of those kind of amorphous businesses that can be sort of described under the umbrella term hedge fund associated with cryptocurrencies. Those kind of things are going to be governed by what appears to me to be a rather complex tax regime. However, various authorities here in the kingdom have made announcements that they're going to waive VAT in one-off transactions, or what appear to me to be individual one-off transactions for cryptocurrency. So the odd individual that has a few $1,000s in crypto that they want to get moved into, say, Thai baht, for example, VAT may not be assessed necessarily on that type of transaction. However, this is where the issue of sole proprietorship comes up. Pursuant to the tax regulations here in the Kingdom of Thailand, an individual sole proprietor does not have to register for VAT until reaching the threshold of 1.8 million baht in gross revenue. In the past, it was 1.2 million baht, but now it's 1.8 million baht with respect to gross revenue, and that then triggers a mechanism whereby VAT certification needs to be sought pursuant to Thai tax regulations. I think, or at least I believe, it is logical to infer that with respect to this waiver with respect to VAT on individual transactions, I think 1.8 million may become the magic number where VAT may be required, or VAT certification may be required. And the reason I think that this is probable is because that is the scheme that's been set up for Thai sole proprietorships, and it seems to me to be logical that in the future, anyone who's bringing in a gross revenue of over 1.8 million baht may need to be required to go ahead and get themselves VAT certified in order to go ahead and pay into the VAT system. That being said, it's not a foregone conclusion that that is in fact the case. It's just my simple speculative assessment of what I think that the regime is going to look like moving forward. But I think it's logical to infer it based on past circumstances.